These tubies and ons and never get away from here. The darn washbirds are really loving me today. I must smell like honey. Speaking of honeys, my honey is going to run the camera. What we're doing today here, boys and girls, is we're removing this engine. And I'm going to take some good parts off of it and put it in the engine that old Brat Rider gave me. How about them apples? I think I got it high enough and stuff. Well, here's the camera counters. I'm not gonna shh. Here you go. You look through here. Okay, boy, that was a mean look. Okay. Do this. And then they said to do this. And it comes right out. Pull back on the jack that's already marred in the mud. Pull back on the jack that's already marred in the mud. Iwo Jima. That's weather. Yeah, well, I was good. Sorry. I wonder if we can do this. Oh, we might. You know, I've never pulled one of these, but I've never dropped one either. Let's see what's back here. Oh, cool stuff. Kilroy, who's Kilroy? Woohoo! I don't know what this stuff is, but it sure looks scary to me. Wonder if I got all the bolts out of it. Nope. One left. Now it's out. Come forth, yon hairy pillock. I just make that eat down. And now. Successful crash landing. Okay. Here it is. Okay. Can I have the camera back? Unnoticed one. Thank you. Mooch. Dang, that was sweet. Thank you, honey. I'm going to point it here. Don't worry about catching you from church. We all know you are the priest there. Priestess. Another dirty look from the girl. Anyway, I deserve it. Look at all this goodness. I don't know what this is, but it don't look like what I've been seeing on these other boys' stuff. Huh. And it had different nuts and stuff. Supposed to be 17s, what I was told. And it was everything. Howsomever, there it is. Now, we'll get it up on the operating table. My plan is, and disseminate it enough to get the heads off of it and see if they're any good. And cram what's left, what's good. Cram what's good in the engine I got in there on the other operating table. And then put it back in here. That's the plan anyway. I've got some tubes, some new push rod tubes coming. I got a whole bunch of new bolts, new lock washers I got ordered, and gasket sets and stuff. And that's the order of business of this coming week. I hope. I hope. And we'll just see. It's supposed to rain the rest for 15 more days. So I'm going to get this up on a wagon and pull it in the shop. Or in the garage. And it'll be 5 unassembled engines in there. So I think that's all I'm going to do. Poor old Egg. Egg, we're going to learn on this one. And I'm going to do what's right for you. And me and the granddaughter Chloe have been playing with a TR7, and we pulled a bunch of junk off of it to put the water pump in it. These cars are not very popular. I'm not taking good care of my light, am I? Not very popular. Let me get over here where the wash nest is and the hydrangeas and the poison ivy. Had to pull all this good stuff off to get to that frazzling water pump. And of course they're growed in and they're turned by the camshaft oil pump or something. So they open up into the oil, and yet they circulate the water. So another reason they weren't very popular. But if it works, it works. And we're going to try and make it work. Yeah. So every time I come out here, I give it a dose of PB Blaster. PB means probably, maybe. Okay, I'm going to work on getting that dragged into the shop before it starts raining again. And probably go in, take some resting off my, because I moved a bunch of more stuff yesterday, me and the girls, and we're all tuckered and sore. Okay. Golly, I've got to turn back around so I could get my head up under that engine cover, which I don't have. Alright, I love y'all, and y'all take care of each other. And VW Darren, I love you. I haven't seen the video from you in a while, so push the record button and tell us a joke or something. You know, you just show my picture. That's funny enough. Of course, it makes other people cry. Makes babies cry when they're anyway. Howsoever, I'm Volkswagening it along. So, cheers to all my Volkswagen gurus. You've taught me a lot, and I'm using it to my own good. So, I got to thank you so much. Okay. Bye bye.